Hi there, everyone. I hope everyone's having a good day. Today, I'm going to show you how you can answer or decline your call through the Soundcore Anker Q11i headphones. It's a pretty cool feature because you don't even need to take out your phone to answer or reject a call. So let's say you're just outside at the park walking and your phone's in your pocket and you receive a call, right? And you have these headphones on, maybe you're listening to music, right? And you don't have to take out your phone just to answer the call, right? You can just simply do it through one of these buttons. So I'm going to show you how you can do that today, all right? So let's say you receive the call. So what you're going to want to do is find this button right here, okay? In order to answer the call, once you hear your phone ringing or vibrating, you have to press this just once. I know it says power button here, but don't worry, it's not going to turn off your device. It's only going to answer the call. All right. So phone's ringing, you press this once, you talk to the person, hey, how's it going? Whatever. Okay. Now, when you're ready to decline the call, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to press this once and the call will end. So pretty easy, right? And don't worry, this is not going to turn off your device. Like I said, if you want to turn off your device, you actually have to hold this for like 2 seconds or so, and then this light will turn off, and you'll know that the device is turned off. All right. But remember, whenever there's a call, just press this once. It'll pick up. Once you're done with the call, you can just press this again, and that will end the call. So yeah, I think it's pretty easy and uh, I think that there are other headphones which make it a little more complicated, but I think this is very simple. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.